If you thought this yacht was crazy, look at this video of the $50 million yacht. You know what? Honestly, let's just go to it right now. Zoom in. And now we are on the $50 million yacht. This yacht is over 200 feet long, 4 stories high, can hold over 200 people, and comes with a 20 crew. You pay $50 million, you're given this remote that can call the crew at any time.
Hey, there's nothing cool up here, don't worry.
This is crazy.
Whoa. The interesting thing is I've just been walking and I don't know if I'm at the halfway point, the end of the boat, or if I just started. This thing's huge. Meanwhile, we noticed another boat was approaching us. And then the owner did this. I was waving at him and he showed me his butt.
That's gonna be someone's dad one day, dude.